Today we are making medu vada, especially festival season, the Pongal, I mean Sankranti is going to come. So we'll make the definitely vada. This is a kid special. Come on, I'll show you how to make. See, this is a urad dal. English la enakku theriyadu. I don't know, I forgot the names also. But urad dal only, even the Telugu also, minapappu, they will tell you. I got it now. And one thing I want to tell you, now everybody wants to be protein based. This is totally protein and children love this one. Even I enjoy hot, crispy. Oh my god, I can't even tell you. Come on, yeah. I have to give one push to start. Actually, if you are doing with the hand, that is very, very easy. Within 5 to 10 minutes, it's over. But if people you don't want to do that, you can use the wet grinder. This is also very, very easy. Now I'm going to tell you small tips that you can observe that one. What is that? I will tell you. See, you see, yeah, now how it's this one, because I didn't even use the salt. Now don't put before salt, that is very, very important. And when you're grinding, the water consistency should be very, very less, otherwise you won't vada, it won't come. Okay, that is only very important. Now always I'll keep one plate, then remove it. It's not even coming. Yeah, it will come. Let me see now. See, like this only. This is the consistency you have to be. Yeah, my batter is ready. The batter, how we have to do, that dal is there, that you have to soak it for at least 4 to 5 hours properly. Then only grinding. Don't do before, otherwise it won't come your vadas properly, and it won't grind also. Yeah, that is the thing. Now I'm going to add all the masalas. Masala means nothing, only onion, chili, and perungayam. Perungayam means what is that? Hing Hindi. I don't know, so many languages, so many confusions for me. It's okay, fine, thank you. Then now I'm adding the salt. Now only I'm adding. I told before, when you're going to make the vada, that time only you have to add the salt. See, this is how much you want it. You have to see carefully. And next, this is only hing. Hing, this one, a little bit. I like that flavor, so I'm adding. This is a red chili flakes. This is green chili, very spicy and tasty, so I'm adding more. This onion. Onion, if you're adding more, no, oh my god, that is so awesome. This is pepper. Pepper, you have to crush it little bit, that's it, like this only. The digestion, everything, because I told you this is a dal and protein. No, more I want to do. Yeah, ready. This is handful, like 1 teaspoon. This is tablespoon only, so this much. Yeah, then curry leaves, just cut it, curry leaves like this. You have to cut it and put like this, more also. Now wet your hands and mix it well, like this. Wet it, and now see how nicely you have to mix it nicely, like this. Only one side, don't go here and there. That only small tips mine. I forgot, I'm going to go that side only, but it's okay. Now see how it will become when we add the salt. No, that time it will become like this only. Onion also there. Yeah, your batter is ready. Now you can make the vadas. See, consistency. Okay. And second is, I'm using a refined oil. This is my iron kadai. Every time the people will ask me how you're washing. Washing with the Rita. That's all. Come on, we'll do it. Come on, yeah. Now we'll do it. Then adding the oil. I'm using in the refined oil. See. Yeah, this is more than enough. Yeah, my oil is hot, I think so. Yeah, just I'll make it medium flame. Then this only. When I'm shooting, I told you several times, when I want to shoot, that time everything, the atta, because everything will be become very loss. Like this only. And take it out. Touch the water. This I'm making small one. Just make one hole. And yeah. Then see, like this. The vadas is coming very fluffy and crispy also, I can see. But anyhow, you people can try and let me know properly how it's coming and all, if you're trying this method. Wet your hands, that only important. Just make the one hole. Yeah, see. Just do this oil like this. Now again, you want to high flame. The Pongal, Sankrantri, actually in Telugu we'll say Sankrantri and Tamil say Pongal because we are in Tamil Nadu. So definitely we all South Indians, we use the vadas in the puja. Any festival, even the birthday also it's coming, that time also we'll make vada. Vada with the nice coconut chutney. Some people they won't add all the onions, all whatever masalas, not masalas, ingredients, all this chili and all they won't eat. So I love to eat, yeah. So I am adding all that and take the banana leaf and make it like this. See. And wet your hands and take it out. Carefully you have to put it. See. Color it's not crispy, little bit more, then only it will come very well. One laddu. Then wet your hands and tap it like this and make one hole and take it out and put it in. When you're putting in oil, careful, very slowly, because I'm little bit experienced, so you have to be very, very careful. Just pour the oil like this. See the color of the vada, this one. Then this you can remove it. This is ready. See the color. Okay. So this is also okay. Ready. It will stick like this, then it will leave. No problem. Don't worry about that. This crispiness, see the sound, yeah. Kar, 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 kar. In the hotel also, when I'm going, just I'll order the medu vada. Sometimes it will be, kacha. So, see, now I'm going to make actually coconut chutney. When you're making the coconut chutney, you have to toss the green chilies, otherwise the smell will come. What is the tip that you have to cut little bit like this and put it, otherwise it's very tough. Okay, come and see, just have a look. Cut like this and put it. It won't jump all this. One cut, that's all. Just, yeah. That's it, no? Just do it like this. That is only one tip. Don't put it directly. Just toss it. Okay. Now maybe you understand how to make the coconut chutney. I grated the coconut chutney. This is a fresh one. See how nice color. Now itself we can add the salt. That's it. Now we'll grind it properly. I'll bring the mixie, will grind it. Yeah. First add the green chilies like this and the coconut. See. Now adding this actually coconut water. When break the coconut, no, that only I'm adding in this. Now see, we have to add a little more water. The green color chili, see. Some people wanted actually very rough only. I like little bit rough only, not very, soft like chandan powder. Yeah, just little water. Yes. Yes. That you want to do the grinder mixie in the hand also, you can make it. This is the consistency. You want make the tadka, but I won't make the tadka. Why? Again, we want to add the oil and all. Directly I'll eat like this only. I'll give the children also like this, and fresh coconut, Yeah, your chutney ready, coconut. Yes. Time for taste, yeah. Crispy medu vada. Okay, now I am going to see. The children love it actually. My house, the vada with the chutney, My kids love the chutney also, coconut chutney. Oh my God. Crispy. I can't even tell you. I can't even wait for this. The shoot will go. Just I'll jump in that and I'll have it. Very, very tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this moment also. Very healthy and protein based vadas. That's it, yeah.